Stop saying where are you? KSI must have heard about me outside. He must have. Maybe he put me on his YouTube or something. He must have heard about it. They must have said there's some guy outside performing your songs. Stop saying where are you all the time. You know what I mean? These likes are alright, but they're not good enough, bruv. 4 minutes and 1k likes. Seriously, are you tapping something else? You should be tapping the screen. Are you tapping something else, mate? He must have heard about me. Seriously, he must have heard about me outside. Thank you, Londinium 900. KS, stop saying where are you in the live constantly. KSI must have heard. Must have. Must have, mate. Must have. You're gonna have to wait, John, mate. You must have heard about me, seriously. 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 Bloody hell, bruv. I'll battle him a bit later. But seriously. Thank you, Max Snipers. Seriously, you know what I mean? Like, stop saying where are you? This is ridiculous. To be honest, Max Snipers, rather than send a rose, I'd rather you just tap the bloody screen. Stop. Everyone needs to stop saying where are you constantly. It's getting beyond the joke, mate. It's getting beyond the bloody joke. It really is getting beyond the joke. Where are you? Where are you? Constantly. I smashed it today, mate. They loved me outside. Literally loved me outside, mate. When I started properly performing, they were like, boy, this guy's got some talent, bruv. KSI must have heard I was there. You know what I mean? Stop saying where are you? KSI must have heard I was there. KSI must have heard I was there, 100%, mate. Oh, we need to start, mate.
Listen, can I say one thing? Can I say one thing before you say anything?
Good evening,
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
The difference
Good evening,
between
sir.
the difference between me and you, hello. The difference between me and you, yeah? I was thinking of you today. I go outside and I pray my salah, yeah? And I go live. You go outside and you dance with music like the little devil Satan Bamba Clat youth, yeah?
No,
I'm
bro.
not trying to listen. I'm saying that's the difference between me and you,
Nothing to
me
do
and
with
you.
dancing has nothing to do with the devil, mate.
That's the difference between me and
Dancing has
you.
nothing to do with the devil,
You go
mate.
outside, pick up the phone, stand outside for
Nah.
20 hours, filming yourself,
Seems like you're a
dancing.
bit jealous, Mo. Mo, seems like you're acting a bit jealous for some reason. Why?
I'm jealous of you.
Jealousy is a disease. Yeah, mate. Seems like you're acting a bit jealous. Like, Mo, I'm going to be much bigger than you. You do know that, don't you? Are you ready for it? You do know that, don't you? You do know that. You do know that, don't you?
Did you just say?
Yeah, mate. I'm going to be much bigger than you, bruv.
Brother, I'm telling you, when I'm outside,
I'm telling you now.
pray.
I don't. You can pray all you want. You can pray all
What
you
do you
want.
do? Look, even HS
I'm glad for you
TikTok is on
praying.
here.
I don't
HS
care.
is on
I'm
here.
going to be much bigger than you,
No,
bruv.
what are you saying, brother?
I am going to be much bigger than you, Mo. You need to
Nice
be
to meet
prepared
you,
for it,
man.
man. Do all the
Hello.
praying you want. Do all the praying you want. Do all
Hey,
the
these
praying
men
you
are
want.
funny, man.
But I'm going to be
Big up
much
yourself.
bigger than you, Mo. So do all the praying you want.
I appreciate that, man.
Do all the
Listen,
praying you want.
when you're in the
Normally you're
street, does
positive.
people shout?
Normally
Listen,
you're positive.
listen, you wake up in the morning, the devil tells you to wake up, get your speakers, get the
No,
devil's bunda, and you
no,
go
man.
outside, putting music
No.
to the world, right? Haram music,
Haram. No, it's not haram music. Thank you very much.
yeah? I go outside, I put my phone, and I pray to God.
All right.
There's
I'm
a
sure.
difference.
Yeah, okay.
Understand the difference,
Watch
Mr.
when I'm bigger than
UK,
you.
Tiki,
Watch when I'm
Toki,
bigger than
whatever
you.
your name is. Yeah?
Look, watch when I'm bigger than
You're not
you.
doing a good representation for the UK, are
Watch
you?
when I'm doing a very good
You're
reputation,
not
mate.
doing
You're
a
getting a
good
bit jealous. I'm not going to lie.
representation.
I'm not going to lie. You're getting a bit jealous, mate. What do you
You
mean
sure
other
about
rogue,
that?
Zach? Zach, what do you mean other rogue?
You're representing for the UK. Your name's UK. You need to change the
Yeah,
name.
I'm glad what I do, mate. Mr. UK
Oh my
TikTok
God.
official. Keep hating, Mo. Mo, keep hating, bro.
Listen, let me go out to these guys. Yo, these guys are
Keep
these
hating,
guys are
mate.
doing a madness. Yo, Wagwan, my brothers. Chat to me. Where you lot from? Where you lot from? Birmingham. Yes. I want on live. What are you saying, my bro? What are you lot saying? Yeah, you saying? Oh, my brother, man. Yeah, I was just praying, man. I was just praying. You look good. From Birmingham, yeah? I appreciate you lot. Yes, my brother.
Mo,
Yes, my
are
brother.
your designers real?
Big up everyone, man. Big up everyone. Yes.
Are your
I
designers
appreciate
real?
you lot, man. Drive safe. I hope you get home safe, man.
Are your
Big up yourself,
designers real, Mo? Mo,
man.
is that? Are you wearing a real Gucci top?
Bro, when I go outside,
Are
I
you
shut it
wearing a
down.
real
What do
Gucci top?
you do?
Are
You
you
put
wearing a real?
music.
Are you wearing a real Gucci top?
Yes, on the Holy Quran, it's a real Gucci shirt.
See what I mean?
On
Why
the
can't you?
Holy
Why
Quran, on the Holy,
why not buy a fake
on
one
the
and give to
Holy.
charity? Why are you wearing a real one, bruv? How much did that
Taking this
cost?
out because you
How
got me
much did
angry
that
now.
cost?
I've taken out the stone now because of you. I've taken out the stone. Yeah.
Out of your
You
winnings,
listen.
when you
You've
got to
got me
number
angry
one,
now.
how much
On
did
the
you give
whole,
to charity?
let me speak. Let me
How much
speak.
did you give to charity?
Let
When
me
you won,
speak.
when
Yeah.
you got to number one on the weeklies, how
Why
much
are you
went
not
to
letting me
charity
speak?
instead of
Why
buying
are
these
you not
£800
letting me
tops?
speak?
Because
Yeah.
I want you
Even
to answer my
hatred.
question.
Well, I'm talking.
When you got
First
to
of
number
all,
one,
all right.
when
So
you got to
I'm
number
gonna
one on the
go. You're not gonna
weeklies,
let me talk. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. You listen. You asked me, is this Gucci top real? Yes, it's real on the Holy Quran, and I've got a real Gucci belt. And I'm sorry to do this to you. I know it's not good. I know it's not good to do it to a person like you because you are wearing Dunlop shoes. Yeah, and I know. Listen, my shoes are gold. Gold
Dunlop
Nikes.
shoes,
Golden
Dunlop
Nike
shoes,
97s, yeah?
bruv.
You're wearing
So
Dunlop
hold on.
flip-flops.
So
You are
so
wearing
so
plimsolls.
you're such a
Listen, stop
Muslim
it.
person
I'm
that you're
joking. I love
wasting
you.
money,
I love
thousands
you.
on
But you
clothes,
listen, why are you not to let me talk?
thousands on
Why? All
clothes.
right, shall I lock you off? Shall I lock you off?
I don't
Why
really
are you
care.
doing this? Why are you doing this, Mr. UK?
Tomorrow, I
I'm
don't
giving you a
care.
chance to talk. I told you, you asked me if my shirt was real. You're trying to buzz on me. You thought this is a fake shirt. So
No,
you
I
thought this is
didn't.
your chance.
No,
This is your Why are you
I
asking me if
didn't think it was fake. See, you've got it wrong.
Why are
You've
you
got it
asking
all
me if my
wrong.
shirt is real? Why are
You've
you
got it all
asking me if my
wrong. I
shirt is
knew it
real?
was real. You're not getting what I'm saying, are you? You could have got a fake
Listen.
one and then you could have
Okay, what? All right,
donated
listen.
money, bruv,
Mr.
for
UK,
charity.
Tiki Toki official.
How
I will give
much?
you,
How much?
listen,
How
I'm
much?
talking to you. Are you going to let me talk? I will give you my Air Max 97s, the white version of this. The white version of these, I will give it to you. What size are you? What do you want?
Yeah, I
You're
don't
my
need
little
your,
brother. I got you. I got you.
I
You
don't
want a
need your
Gucci
stuff,
t-shirt?
no.
I'll give you a Gucci t-shirt.
I don't
You
want
can
it.
take up.
I
You
don't
can
want it,
throw away
no.
the Dunlop. You can throw away the head.
I ain't wearing,
You
I
can
ain't wearing
throw away
Dunlop,
the
mate.
slashing jar. You can
I don't.
throw away Lonsdale. I
These are not
got you.
Dunlop. They're Versace, bruv.
I
I
got
don't
you.
wear Dunlop.
You
They're
can throw
Versace.
away the
They're
shoes they
Versace,
made
mate. I bought them in
in Ayia
Marbella.
Napa. They made that in school. The
I bought
school
them in
teacher
Marbella,
told
mate.
the children
They're
in
real.
Ayia Napa
They're
to
real
make those
Versace.
shoes.
And they've
You can
lasted
throw
me
away
very
those
well.
shoes. Yeah.
And I would
They got
recommend
from
the
Vauxhall
Versace to
Market.
anyone. I bought the
All right.
Versaces in
Show us
Marbella.
the box. Show us the box.
I ain't got the box. I don't keep the box.
So where did you buy them from?
Marbella on live.
Okay. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.
I was
What?
in Marbella when I bought them. I was on live buying them.
What? What? It's from Selfridges? From where?
In a shop in Marbella. There's not Selfridges in
On the
Marbella,
strip.
mate.
You brought them from a strip.
Marbella.
Yes. What's the shop called?
I don't remember what the shop was called, but some designer shop in Marbella.
So it doesn't have a name.
Of course it bloody does. Rob, I was there about 6 months ago. You think I'm going to remember the name?
All right. Listen, respect for your Versace's. That means you won't be needing my Air Max 97s. That means you're rich than most of the people on here. That means you're on another level of Mr. UK Kid Coffee. Mr. Copy. We love you so much, but your time has come.
I know my
Your
time's
time
coming.
has come.
I know.
Your time has come to stop putting music in people's ears.
No.
Stop going outside and putting music.
No, I
Rather
love
go
my
outside
music,
and pray
mate.
to God.
Oh, did you not see? Did you not see? Did you not see? Did you not see? What's his name? Is it KX? Who's on KSI's song? Joined in and started dancing with me today on my live. Go and tell him about the devil's
How
music.
them man are saying you got Kingfisher?
Go and tell him about the devil
Hey,
music.
listen, Wagwan, we say.
Go and
What,
tell
have
him
you
about the
got
devil's music.
Are you
innit?
wearing Kingfisher? Yes, Wagwan.
Go and tell him about the devil's music, innit?
Are you wearing Kingfisher?
No, I'm wearing Versace, bro. Go and tell.
My boy loves you. I
Yes,
can't even lie.
Yes, Walalo. Why?
Go and tell.
Outside, we're outside, my guy.
This guy's the realest.
Come on, my brother, we outside.
Go and tell. Is it KX?
Oh.
Yeah, KX.
Outside, my bro. Alhamdulillah.
Flex Daddy. Go and tell Flex. Go and tell Flex Daddy X.
You're the realest.
My brother, I love my bro. Yes.
Go and tell Flex Daddy X.
Listen.
The one who
are you
danced with me
wearing
on the live
Kingfisher?
today.
Are you
That is
wearing
devil's music.
Kingfishers?
Go and tell KSI that is devil's music. I was playing KSI's music, bruv. Go and tell KSI that is devil's music.
All right. You need to calm down, sir.
Go and tell him. See if he
Calm
puts you on
down.
Misfits now. See if he puts you on Misfits
down.
now.
Calm down.
Don't. I was dancing to KSI's music. Go and tell KSI his music is the music of the devil. Did you hear that, KSI? Modeen says your music is the music of the devil. You said it, not me.
I've had enough of you. I've had
You
enough
said
of
it, not
you.
me.
Going outside every day with your
You
speakers.
said it, not me.
Dancing.
Bruv, I keep doing what I'm doing, mate, because I love it and people join in. I made it. Do you know what I got on? I got an 80, 90-year-old to dance. She came on the live and started dancing. What joy I'm causing.
Well
An 80
done.
or 90-year-old dancing with me on the
Is
live.
that what God wanted us to do?
Yeah, make people happy, yeah. Yeah, I guarantee
Sure
he
about
did.
that?
Yeah.
Are you sure about
I'm
that?
very sure. In my own thoughts, yeah. God wanted us to make people happy, yeah. In my own
So
thoughts,
God
yeah.
created us to dance with
If you
music,
can,
put
if you
Tupac
can
on
make,
all
if you
day
can make a
and
90-year-old
dance in the
start
streets.
dancing and enjoying herself, yeah,
Is that your
100%.
purpose in
Happy
life?
laughter. That's
So
what
God
I believe for God.
created-
You're
Listen, God
Muslim. I'm not
created
Muslim. I'm a different religion.
I'm talking. God created 70 billion galaxies, the sun, the universe, the angels, the jinns, the galaxies, the outer universe, the Milky Way, only so that you can carry a speaker and walk around like a penguin.
I don't
and
walk around like
dance
no
all day.
penguin, bruv.
Is that why
I
you
don't
were
walk around like
created?
no penguin,
Is
bruv.
that why God created the universe?
You might walk around
you
like
to
a
do
one. You might walk
Is
around
that
like
why
a.
he done this?
You might walk around like
Is
a
this our
penguin, but I
purpose in
don't.
life? That's it.
You know what I mean?
Well, I'm here to advise you, my little son.
I'm
What
not your
you're
little
doing
son. I'm
is
here to.
wrong.
I'm here to advise you, my little son. What I do, I love
You're
doing,
doing it
and people
wrong.
love joining in, like they did today. Like KS, that guy who's done a song with KSI joined
Oh,
in.
it's all wrong.
Okay, well, I was playing KSI's music. So apparently, that's the devil's music. KSI, it's all wrong.
It's all wrong.
Wait. And the 90-year-old that started waving her hands and really enjoying herself, it's all wrong. And my friend Sheikh Abdullah Al
Listen, they're
Fassi,
saying no one joined in.
my friend,
joined in.
I've got the
You're
video,
doing
mate.
this by yourself.
My friend Sheikh
Listen,
Abdullah Al
I've got
Fassi,
one word to you.
who's
yeah?
the heir to the Al Fassi empire. He's a Muslim as well.
Listen,
He loved it.
You need God. You need God. That's what I'm
My
gonna say.
friend
need
Sheikh
God.
Abdullah Al Fassi.
You need God.
My friend Sheikh Abdullah
Listen,
Al
I'm going to
Fassi.
pray. You
Yeah?
go dance.
You don't need to pray for me.
You go and dance.
I will
I'm going
dance,
to
mate.
pray.
You
I'm
pray.
going to pray. I'm going to pray
All
right now.
right, good,
You go
good,
carry on dancing.
good.
Carry
I
on
will.
dancing.
I
Let's have
will. Thank
more
you very
devils
much.
in the world.
I will.
Go
It's not
on.
devil, mate. It's
You might as
not
well
devil.
start dancing now.
I don't believe. I don't
You
believe
might
it's
as well
devil.
start dancing right now.
You might believe it's devil. I don't.
You might as well get up and start shaking it.
You might believe it's devil. I don't.
Shake it for us,
Sorry, but
UK
I
tickets.
don't.
Coffee,
I
coffee,
ain't
coffee, coffee.
shaking nothing for nobody
Mr.
right now.
Pickle,
I am bloody
shake it for
exhausted.
us.
I ain't shaking nothing for
Shake
nobody.
it. That's what you be doing
And
every
hold on,
day
hold
for
on, hold on.
free.
Should I just say something, right? You're such a
Mr. UK
you're such.
Pickle.
Should I just say something? Yeah.
No, no,
No, my
no.
turn. My turn. Yeah.
Listen, no, no.
My turn.
Listen,
Yes, yes, yes.
Mr. Pickle, Mr. Pickle, listen
You're
to me
such a good,
carefully.
honourable person.
Listen to
What are the
me
comments like in your
carefully.
live?
Listen to me
What are the
carefully.
comments like in your live?
Why you come
Haram.
up?
Your
What?
comments are haram.
Mr. UK,
You allow haram comments in
listen,
your live.
go and repent. I'm going. Go and repent. Go and
Yeah, I
repent.
got
I'm
him.
going.
He allows haram comments in his live. I got him. I finished him on that one. He had to end it. He had to end it because he allows haram comments in his live. He had to end it. Like no proper Muslim person would allow the comments in his live. No. See that as well. Like, so when he went on Reza, he had 792. He's now got 1.4k. His views were obviously a bit shazzle manazzle, mate. His views were 792. Now that, see how I smash up the views, mate. See how I increase the views. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? How I smash up the views. They were 792. Now they're 1.4k. And he knew he had to end that live when I said, "You're haram." He knew that. He knew it. He knew he had nothing. He could do nothing but end the live because I said your comments are haram. Because a true Muslim person wouldn't allow shite comments like that in their live, and they wouldn't. They would no way allow it. A bloody live, mate. You're bugging out. And that's the truth. He would tell mods, block these haram comments. I don't agree with them. Block these comments now. But he doesn't. He allows them all. Even on his own, when he's on his own, he just allows them to all go through. All for views. I wonder what KSI is going to think of him saying, guys, screen record this at KSI, by the way. All my drillers, Alien Hybrid, whatever, all my drillers, yeah, get this one out there. I was dancing to your music today, KSI, outside the event, and Modeen, who you was going to have on Misfits, basically said that that's devil music. Your music's apparently devil, but it causes, do you know what? It weren't devil music to me. I was dancing it, and I felt brilliant dancing to it, KSI, bruv. Brilliant, mate. It felt really good dancing to it. It felt really good dancing to it. But yeah. Look at Maga running scared, mate. The truth is, Modeen knows I'm on the come up, bruv. He knows that they're going in the recording studio, all that. He knows I'm on the come up, and he's on the decline. That is the truth. He may have won the weeklies once, and he may have not give, because normally, so what you would normally give, I hope he did, you give 10% of it to charity, because he's a Muslim. That's what a Muslim would do. A Muslim brother would give 10% of his winnings to charity. But I guarantee he didn't. Charity began in his pocket. You can tell that from the £800 tops he wears. You can tell that from, listen, mate.
Right. What's going on?
So,
Yeah.
I'll tell you this once and once only. You need to apologise for all the done in a video and be sincere about it, and maybe I'll battle you.
No, I'm on live. Yeah, I told you what you got to do. Some people. He's gone right back down again. They're obviously not finding him very entertaining anymore.
What on earth have you got on your head, mate? Yeah, see you later, Sean. Bit quiet today, aren't you, mate? Bit quiet, aren't you? 2 more. Boy. Yes, Axtino. Four's the target, guys. 4.
Double. افتح الدبل. Open the double. 4 roses.
Here's Ebenezer. Sean.
2 roses. خلاص. Stop doing that, boy. Disgusting me. Stop.
Go get ready for Kiss It, bruv.
هلا والله.
2 more, guys.
هلا بأهل الكويت. وردتين.